sa Anicas Villa, a nature-friendly private resort and event place located in Barangay Palo Alto, Calamba, Laguna. Pagpasok mo pa lang, super welcoming na kagad. Bubungad sa iyo ang malaking swimming pool, spacious multi-purpose area, at 3 cozy villas. Sa Villa number 1, may double deck at sofa. Sa Villa 2 naman, kumpleto sa cooking utensils. May ref, may wifi, may free drinking water, may long table, living and dining area. Dito naman sa Villa 3, may 3 single beds at sofa. Lahat ng mga villas may sariling toilet and bathroom. Sa likod ng villas, may cooking area with free use of the gas. May common CR din for quick shower before swimming. And when it comes to amenities, sulit na sulit. It has unlimited billiards, unlimited swimming. Syempre, meron ding karaoke, gazebos for chill moments, at free parking. Perfect for family outings, barkada staycations, or small events. All of this for only 12,000, good for up to 12 packs. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Mag-book na rin kayo.
Next year na ulit yung next get together, but we just want to praise you for the whole year that you've been faithful sa amin. Not only sa group na to, but in our personal lives, Lord, in each of our family.
The counting game. So kami po mag-start ng bilang 1. Pero ganyan, walang mag... 1 2 3 7 8
Go! Jump! 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 Turn around! Turn around! Clap! 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 Turn around! Turn around! Clap! Dance! 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 Turn around! Clap!
Shoulders, knees, head, present!
Ano? Love language ni Jen.
1, 2, 3, go! Only time! Yeah!
Sino unang nainis kapag gutom?
1, 2, 3, go!
Ano ang go-to food ninyo kapag wala kayong maisip kainin? 1, 2, 3, go!
Kadalasang pinag-aawayan ng mag-asawa.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.